A new power move by China could be changing the defense dynamics of Latin America. What does China want with Colombia, and how do fighter jets tie into global geopolitics? Let's break it down. Recently, China has made a bold offer to Colombia, up to 24 J-10CE fighter jets, a powerful fourth-generation multi-role combat aircraft. This is not just a simple weapons deal, it's a direct message to the global defense market. The J-10CE is the export version of China's J-10C, a jet equipped with modern avionics, AESA radar, and is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons, air-to-air and air-to-ground. With China offering flexible payment plans and favorable financing, it becomes very attractive for countries like Colombia who want to upgrade their air forces but may not have the deep pockets needed for American or European jets. Colombia's Air Force is still operating Kfir jets, a platform originally developed in Israel back in the 1970s. These jets are now outdated, and the Colombian government has been actively searching for replacements for years. They've held talks with the US for F-16S and with France for Rafale jets. But those jets come with high costs, strict political strings, and lengthy procurement processes. So now, with China entering the scene, Colombia suddenly has a third option. Potentially cheaper, faster, and with fewer political conditions. But this move isn't just about selling fighter jets. It's part of a much larger strategy by China to increase its military and economic influence globally, especially in regions like Latin America, which have traditionally been under the influence of the United States. Earlier this year, China made a similar pitch to Brazil, offering them J-10 fighters as well. The idea is simple. Offer affordable but advanced military tech to developing nations, create defense dependencies, and slowly build political capital. This is how soft power works in the 21st century, not just through trade deals, but also through arms diplomacy. For decades, the US has been the dominant defense partner for many Latin American nations, so a Chinese-made fighter jet flying in Colombian skies? That's likely to cause serious concern in Washington. It's not just about the jets themselves. These kinds of deals often come with training, maintenance, and sometimes even military advisors. And with that comes intelligence sharing, access to military infrastructure, and long-term influence. In simple words, the US risks losing a strategic partner to its biggest global rival. So, will Colombia go ahead with the Chinese jets? That's still uncertain. Defense procurement is often a long and politically sensitive process. Colombia will have to weigh the costs, capabilities, and most importantly, the geopolitical consequences. But one thing is clear, this isn't just about planes. It's about power. It's about influence. And it shows us that the new global battleground may not be in war zones, but in arms deals, diplomacy, and strategic partnerships. So next time you see a news headline about fighter jets, remember, there's often much more going on behind the scenes.